How to log in Binance App account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure that you download and install Binance application on your mobile device. Tap to launch Binance. Now, you need to tap on I am familiar with crypto. You need to wait a while until the section loads. So you are on the welcome screen of Binance where you can easily sign in to your Binance applications account by tapping on login button or the link. Enter your login credentials such as Gmail or phone number. You can even continue with Google account. If you don't have an account, first create a Binance account. So let's enter the credentials and then log into Binance. And now you need to allow Binance to send you notifications by tapping on allow button and you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.